Today we are here to present the unique features of this simple and modern standalone house, measuring 52 square meters, along with the estimated construction cost. To build this plant, you should have an average land plot of 250 square meters or more. The exterior of the house captures attention with its modern and minimalist architectural concept. Complementary colors on the facade provide a harmonious and contemporary appearance that blends seamlessly with the surroundings. The charming veranda incorporated into the design offers the privilege of living close to nature. Upon entering, you'll find a warm family atmosphere with one bedroom and one open kitchen living room. The practical design of the living room and kitchen allows you to spend wonderful moments with your family and guests. In the bedroom, carefully selected bedding and storage spaces provide an efficient and well-utilized area in our home. The budget you need to allocate for the construction of this house is detailed in the description, along with the current costs. You can visit our link in the description for all the visuals and application plan dimensions of this plan. Stay tuned for the latest house models and updated costs.